Today, guys, let's go and let's spin until I don't know, a good fruit. I just want a Yeti or a Kitsun fruit. I want to eat a Kitsun fruit. Oh no, there's this C1. Let's go in C2. I have V2 Rabbit, guys. Look at my level, guys. I need to get money. Yeah. Let's go, guys. Let's go there fast. Go. Easy. Go. Yeah. Just wait, guys. This is fast. I'm inside. Let's go grind money, guys, so I can just move orders here. Just grind money. If there's a factory, I'm gonna kill first. I have Buddha, by the way. And look at my stats. It's bad. Let's use Gravity King. Beautiful. Go. I'm gonna mute it, guys. Bye. Just look. Guys, there's no Jeremy. Let's go on Fajit. Or maybe just grind here. Let's just grind here. Look, let's kill this guy. Who is this? Sheesh! He's doing a lot of damage. Guys, I'm gonna die here. He has V4. And course Dol Katana, bro. What is that damage? What the hell am I doing? My melee is max. Why am I doing this damage? Oh, Jeremy. There's Jeremy. Let's go, guys. Let's go. We need to run. Run. We need to run. Go, guys, go. Ang mali. Guys, I'm Bisaya. If you hear English right, I'm just gonna mute it by I'll be right back here. Let's go. I'm gonna grind money. Beautiful. The mountains in the sky. Ocean drop with I have V2 Rabbit, so I'm fast. I need to get 2 mil. Yeah, guys, I need to get 2 mil. Look at want to see my fruits, guys? Here. That's my fruits. Look. That's just what I got. I read all the time. Sorry. Who want to trade me? My name is here. This is my name. Look. That's my name. Just add me and let's trade. Let's grind money. I'm gonna mute it. Bye-bye.